What's going on, guys? I'm coming at you with one more video today, and today we are going to talk about bearish divergence, divergence in general. I'm going over specifically bearish divergence for this video. We'll go over bullish divergence next, and the next video will be on a lookout for that. All right, here we go. I have a chart up for Microsoft on the 1 hour chart. And I like the 1 hour for this because specifically I'm looking for this for either an entry at the beginning of the day for a short swing, like a day trade or a short swing, maybe 1 or 2 days overall. What is divergence? All right, so here's our RSI. Okay, we've got it with the SMA 14, the standard RSI setup for TradingView. What is divergence? How do you see it? You skim our line. I've got it drawn here. Let me delete it so we can see it here. So you're looking for a point, a major point, like an actual, pretty substantial sell-off or move down where you have uptrending on the chart. This is for bearish divergence. This is an indicator where our chart's going to fall. When you have a higher low on the chart, so higher low, you're moving up, you're uptrending. So the arrow moving up here, all right? But at the same exact points on your RSI, you're moving down. That's bearish divergence, because would you look at that? It means we exhausted. The RSI couldn't quite get up there again. We exhausted that run. We exhausted that rally. We're going to sell off. It's looking pretty imminent at that point. And would you look at the sell-off? If you were just based off that RSI, look at the play you would have got on that trade right there. Just by seeing and seeing that and identifying your bearish divergence. All right, here's another example. This one's just as beautiful. Let's delete it. So we'll draw it ourselves. We could clearly see uptrend here and downtrend here. Same exact points from right here to right there. All right. Oh, I'll put it down here. There we go. And look what happened at the end of that. I mean, a 2-day sell-off there, baby. So, of course, you don't want to only use RSI when you're considering taking a put entry or a bearish entry on a stock. You always want to combine it with other things, candle formations, our volume, those type of things, your EMAs, your AMAs, those type of things. But this is just two very, very great examples of bearish divergence on a 1 hour chart. Of course, you're looking for if you're looking for divergence on a long-term trade, on a daily, this and that, it might not, even when you see the divergence, it might not immediately fall which way the divergence is indicating. I love using divergence for short-term trades. Day trades into short swings, I think that's the best way to use it. I use the hour chart for this now, today. And that's all I got for this video. Thank you guys very much. I will see you all next video.